the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So let's get right into it. The price action is kind of boring. It's just been moving sideways. We are still higher than our low though, so we are headed in the right direction. So let's just jump right into the TA. Obviously, there are new people watching, so I do want to look at the RSI, the stock RSI, and the TA every single time, which is exactly what I do. So from the high to the low, as you can see, we are at the 236, which is at this point we're a little bit above it. So as long as we stay over 2046, then we should continue up to the next target up, which would be the 382 at 33. So that's been our target. That's always been our target. We need to get above this because as you can see, we got rejected twice at the 382, which confirmed a bearish drop. However, as long as we stay over 2046, then we should continue up to 33, followed by 49, then the 618, 786, and so on, until we hopefully make an all-time high. The RSI is hanging around the oversold area. The stock RSI did reset, so it's no longer bearish. Obviously, when it was bearish, the price was down here, and now we are going back up. So it just depends on how high it can go, before it makes the next correction. I do think that with this reversal, we are probably going to tag the 0.5 at 49, which will probably bring the RSI up, followed by correction, obviously, and as long as we stay over 33 at that point, it should be fine. And these drops should be expected, and they're not light drops. I mean, if you look at it, it's 31%. From the 0.5 to the 382. Again, if you look at the 382 to the 236, it was another 39-40%. So these drops aren't light, okay? But keep in mind that we are still higher than our recent low. So we are still, 115, 120% from this low. So again, we are headed in the right direction. It might not be as fast as some people like, but we're still holding the twos, so that's a great sign. Now areas that it needs to hold, let's see. So let me delete these. So you want to take it from the low to the high, and as you can see, we are using the 0.5 as resistance at 1971. So obviously we bounced from the 0.5 from the low to the high, and we are above the 236. So in my opinion, that is pretty bullish. Even if Bitcoin moves sideways, we are still going to be accumulating in this range before we move up, and we are still technically going to be in an uptrend. How high it can go, I don't know, but honestly, we'll see. We'll just have to wait until we'll just have to wait and see what happens. There's a lot of good news coming out for Dogelon Mars. The new developers are constantly working on the project. They're doing meet and greets. They are doing marketing, so it's not like it's a dead project. The coin now has around 3 years of price action and price history. So, and it's not a rug pull, because look, we're still let's see, from the low to the high, or from the low where we are right now, we're up 413%. So it's still up. If you bought here, you're still up 4x. So, you could have been up, if you had sold or whatever, you could have been up, 60x from this low to the high. But that's just what happens in crypto. It pumps, and then it takes 2 to 3 years to dump, followed by the next Bitcoin halving, which launches altcoins into the next bull run. So those are my targets. Obviously, they haven't changed from my last video, but I'm hoping the next time I make a video, it's going to be above the 33 at the 0.32, the 0.32, 382, sorry. And yeah, so hopefully that happens. And as you can see, one more thing. So we were in this bear channel, and we clearly broke above it. So maybe we are going to come back and retest it, followed by move up. And we're still going to be maintaining this uptrend, and we'll see how high it can go, basically. Anyway, so I did check out the website. There's nothing new, nothing exciting. However, I know they are working on the website. I think that they are coming out with a new website, which is great for us because it's going to basically give this website a facelift and hopefully it'll make it more interesting. I mean, I think it's still pretty cool right now, but there's always room for improvement. So let's look at the Ether scan. So what we're going to see is we're going to see the holders. So holders are basically stagnant around 151,000. Nothing exciting there. If you click on the holders tab, then you'll see that obviously Crypto.com is the number one wallet, holding more than 50% of the valuation of the entire coin of its circulation supply. So I mean, look at this. Like, I don't think Crypto.com, master of marketing, the Crypto.com arena is going to let this coin fail, especially when their people and Crypto.com in general is holding, what is that, like $51 million worth of, and that's just these two. There's other wallets too, but these are just the top wallets. Obviously, I don't think it's gonna fail. But anyway, the next thing I want to show you is the Binance Peg token. So I think that there was a recent buy, like a week ago. 2 days ago. So 69,227,878,825 coins that was bought and sent to the Binance Peg token. So it's always nice seeing the Binance Peg token increase the value. And as you can see, if you click here, there are no out transactions. It's just in. So you can look at this for yourself. And some people are like, oh, well, that's not Binance buying. That's not, like, I think they're missing the point. Like, if you just look at the Binance Peg, from the Binance 8 wallet to the Binance Peg wallet, a Binance wallet is holding 13 trillion coins valued at 2.6 million. So if you can't just stop it there and see that that's really bullish for us, I can't help you. Now, I do know they also burned coins. Oops. I know they burned coins, so let's just go look at that, see if there's any addition. Yeah, so $208,000 is burned. Wallet number 67. Let's see if there's been any in days, 22 days. No. So it's still, it's still the OKX at 49 million that was sent. But anyway, we'll keep an eye on this and we'll keep looking at it to see if anything else gets sent to that Binance Peg token. The null wallet. Anyway, my price prediction right now is going to be probably we're going to retest the 382. We are obviously due for a reversal. Bitcoin has cooled off. The fear and greed is neutral, so that's all bullish. I do think we are going to come back here, and that's going to be the moment of truth because obviously we're going to get sellers with each level here. These are all resistance points, so you are going to get sellers. I am hoping that we got all of our sellers here already, so when we move back up, it won't be as bad, and that's why I think we might hit the 0.5, followed by obviously retrace. Just my price prediction. But again, the next target is going to be the 382 at 33, and then maybe we'll consolidate, create some sort of bull flag, followed by next leg up. Or this thing could just go to like, 10x overnight. This is one of the coins that can just go do really well overnight. Anyway, so that's everything. Another thing that you should probably look at is the fact that the popularity in people's watch lists, this is ranked 84th out of the entire crypto market. The market cap is only 114 million. And, there's a lot of good news coming out. Rufus Chain coming out, blah, blah, blah. Like, there's just, like, so much, coming out this year. Obviously, we're in a bull run. This project is being built on. So, here's your daily dose of hopium. So, I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.